say hi. Mama. Mama. So guys, good afternoon, good evening, good morning to you wherever you're watching me from. Welcome to another vlog. Sorry guys, I've been absent. Like my phone I was using before got spoiled. Throughout my vacation, everything I vlogged, all the videos on it, like I lost everything. And there is no way I could get it back unless till when I repair it. And the amount, I was using it was a Samsung phone. So, and the amount they are calling it, like the amount they want to collect to repair it for me is huge. I don't think I can do that now. So, but I just got a new phone. I just got a new phone that I'll be using for now for content creating. So if you are seeing this channel for the first time, welcome to my channel. This is Unfiltered Day. Welcome to this community. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are the MVP. You know I love you all. Thank you for your support always. So I'm currently in the kitchen. I just came back from the market. I did not go with my daughter, so I left her at home with my mother-in-law. She's around. So, and just like I'm preparing dinner. I'm preparing momo for dinner, and also I'm going to prepare vegetable soup, but that is for tomorrow. But I want to prepare it now. But Nepal has taken the lights, and there's no way I can hold this generator myself. Mama. And there's no way I can hold this generator myself. So I think I'll have to prep everything, and when my husband comes at night, or so he will hold the generator from, and that is if Nepal haven't brought the light by then. So but our light is very stable here. I'm sure they will bring it before then, so I can continue what I'm doing. So guys, I just said I should pick up a new vlog today. So welcome to another new vlog from your favorites. Okay, so stay with me guys. Ciao. Mama, say bye bye. Hello. Mama. You don't want to smile. She did not.
A few moments later.
Ellie is a good girl. Ellie is a good girl. Mommy knows, daddy knows that Ellie is a good girl. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know, clap your hands. Let's close the camera. Close the phone. You're blocking the camera. Mama, Obereo. Mama.
2,000 years later.
Good morning, guys. I just woke up. Sorry, I'm always like this when I just wake up. So actually it was my little madam that woke me up because I was asleep. It was price that would help. I want to say hi. Hi. Let's fresh air enter. I think there is light. There is light, guys. It took the light since yesterday morning, and since then they did not bring it back. So now, oh my God, there is light.